Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're converting this van.
Never done anything like this before.
So we don't actually know what we're doing, we're just going to learn as we go along. So if that's something you're interested in watching, then come and follow our journey. So today we're cleaning all the sticky stuff from the van. So we took up the floor that we had in, that had the seat runners on. And underneath it's all sticky. So we've gone for the elbow grease, extra large, and it's vegan, so that's good. For that, for the cleaning, because we had a bit of research, and some people said use like an alcohol, but then other people have said that they've used this, and this is good. This was easier to access, so we've ended up getting this. And then what else have we got?
Some alcohol wipes as well, just in case.
And then we have got like a bucket of water, some sponges, and some of this. So we're gonna get cleaning.
Let's do it. First things first, PPE.
Yep. And then a bit of dancing. So we ended up using the white spirit to try and get all the sticky stuff off the floor because it was very, very sticky.
It's just for the video, ain't it?
What do you mean?
You're gonna pause it a minute and get out. No. Lucinda just jumped in just for the video and then she jumped back out and continued drinking a brew.
No. How many? The reason it's so important for us to get all this grease and stickiness off the van. Oh! Out the van with the bucket of water. It's because we're going to be putting floors and wood over the top, and we don't want to be leaving any of that underneath to potentially cause mould.
And we also just wanted to check that there was no rust, so cleaning it was very important.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Ah, the ceiling's falling down.
Ah!
To do this because GoPro is going to be like, where'd they go?
Right. Oh, well done.
Huh?
You're going to step that on your own.
No, we took it down on purpose, so this is another part of the van that we managed to sell.
Cha-ching!
What are all them wires?
Oh, this is all. Right,
I don't think we should leave that roof on.
Alright.
Look at all them wires.
Yeah, this was the lights. They're
off the lights.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do with them out?
Can you hear the echo? Echo.
Echo, but what are we...
Oh,
What are we going to do with all them wires if that's just the lights?
that noise won't be there anymore when we're doing this. This light, I'm going to try and attach somehow to the door at the floor so then we can, when it opens, the light. And this, where's the one? Should be another one somewhere.
I think we should be driving this around with wires hanging down everywhere.
These two.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not connected. It's sound deadening on here. Here. And obviously in between.
This is your head torch, it's massive.
Clear to say that Lucinda thinks I've got a big head.
Facts. And so we continued to clean into the night.
Oh, do you know what? We're locked in.
You know.
So we're just taking the panels off and now Lucinda's decided that we're ruining a brand new van.
Not brand new, but like, it's not an old van to be ripped into pieces, is it?
You want a camper van or not?
Yeah.
Just trying to clean the panels and then hopefully get some sound deadening on, see what time it gets to. Wish us luck.
Of course, we didn't get the sound deadening done that night because with a van build, you soon come to realise that you don't fit as much in a day as you're expecting to fit in.
Say that again.
So come back for the next episode where we do the sound deadening. Bye! Bye.